Hello everyone, I'm Bee, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade toothpaste recipe. It's very simple. I only have 3 ingredients. First is baking soda, 1 tablespoon. Second is this coconut oil, 3 tablespoons, and peppermint essential oil, 15 to 20 drops. So first, I already taken out a spoonful of baking soda. So I'll use this glass container. You can find any one that you have and recycle them. So I just put in my 1 tablespoon of baking soda inside. Second, I get my coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil. And I put 3 tablespoons. So I put into here 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then finally I will add this peppermint essential oils. You can use those food grade or therapeutic grade. Okay, I'm going to add 15 to 20 drops. Okay, so with these 3 ingredients, I'm just going to mix together. Okay, so each time when you make a homemade toothpaste, you can just make very small batches. Okay, my coconut is quite liquid at this moment. So because the weather is hot in Abu Dhabi. So if you find that you have winter places, you might just warm it up a bit. Okay, using some steam. Okay, so my homemade toothpaste is done. Okay, so to use it, simply I just take a toothbrush, okay, and just dip it. Okay, or you can use a spoon and then can start brushing. Okay, so I hope that you like my homemade video of this homemade toothpaste, and I hope that you will try to make your own homemade toothpaste recipe. Okay, I will leave the link to my blog below so they can access to about 13 homemade recipes that I have put into my blog post. Thank you, and thank you for watching.